Did you think extensions were never an option for you because you had short, blunt, or thick hair? Well, that is not the case. Today, we are going in and installing a hybrid install method using hand tied and tape and extensions. And remember, this is where we're starting at. This video also does not do her justice with how thick her hair is. When you're getting extensions, you want to do extensive research and finding the best stylist and extension method for your hair type because the blend should be seamless. Like, look at the stitching. Mwah. Chef's kiss, I'm obsessed because otherwise someone's going to leave you looking like Joe Dirt. And if you think I left her like this, we absolutely did not. So to keep her from looking like Joe Dirt, we went in and we installed 2 more rows of extensions, and in those gappy areas, we did use tape and extensions just so I could get a little closer to her scalp. I also forgot to film it, but we did go in and do some natural texturizing just to create the most seamless, flawless blend. And like, look at this, the color, everything eats. Where are the extensions? Like, come on now. Of course, I had to show you guys the blend straight as well as curled because it just eats. Like, I'm obsessed. And the true test is, does it look good straight? Because everything looks good, curled, and styled. And if this is not your sign to go book an extension consultation right now, I don't know what is. Comment below what you think because I'm obsessed.